investigating officer of Lokpal will only and only investigate the allegations of corruption against any of these authorities. He will not even have the power to impose penalties or impose taxes. Lokpal will have much less powers than an ordinary income tax officer. But they are trying to create an impression that it is a Frankenstein monster, it is a threat to democracy. Lokpal investigating officer will only and only have the powers to receive complaints of corruption against any of these authorities, examine them, investigate them, and take the matter to the court. That's it. But friends, it is a long, long road ahead. You have already read in the newspapers that they have even denied permission to Anna ji to sit on fast at Jantar Mantar. Some of their ministers and some of their colleagues have been threatening that we will crush Anna the way we crushed Baba Ramdev. There is a direct conflict of interest. The people who are supposed to pass this law, if they passed a strong law, half of them would go to jail. And that is the reason you cannot expect a strong law to be passed by this Parliament of India, which has 4 MPs, serving MPs, sitting in the jail today for under Prevention of Corruption Act. 150 of these MPs have serious criminal charges against them. Can we expect this Parliament of India to pass a strong Lokpal bill? And forget about Lokpal bill. Can we expect this Parliament to even pass any legislation which is in the interest of the public of this country? So therefore there is a serious conflict of interest, and unless all the people of this country take to streets from 16th August, there is no hope. इस देश के सारे लोगों को सड़क के ऊपर उतरना पड़ेगा. Many people are saying कि even if all the people come on the streets of the country, how will this parliament pass this law? Friends, अगर इजिप्ट के लोग तहरीर स्क्वायर पे आके अपनी सरकार को बदल सकते हैं, अगर इजिप्ट के लोग अपनी सरकार को बदल सकते हैं, ट्यूनीशिया के लोग अपनी सरकार को बदल सकते हैं, हम तो अपनी सरकार भी नहीं बदलने के लिए कह रहे हैं, हम तो एक कानून पास करने के लिए कह रहे हैं. Anna has said that if everyone in this country, Abhi Lakshmi ji said that just one day students should take an off. I would like to stretch it a little further. If everyone in this country takes 1 week off, एक हफ्ता देश के नाम, एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी ले लीजिए सारे स्टूडेंट, सारे लोग, नर नारी, men, women. And if you come on the streets of this country, you don't need to come to Jantar Mantar, don't come to Jantar Mantar. Wherever, just come on the streets in front of your house, in the park, at the crossings, wherever you want to, with a tricolor in your hand and shouting slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Inqilab Zindabad. I think within 1 week's time, we can force the government to bow down to the wishes of the people of this country. एक हफ्ते के अंदर इस देश की संसद और इस देश की सरकार को हम लोगों के सामने झुकना पड़ेगा अगर इस देश के सारे लोग छुट्टी लेके एक हफ्ते के लिए सड़कों के ऊपर उतर आए. They can crush one Anna Hazare, they cannot crush 120 crore Anna Hazares. They can impose Section 144 on one Jantar Mantar. They cannot impose a curfew on the entire country. Friends, in my opinion, This is a rare opportunity. It's a rare chance that we've all got. If we fail this time, I don't know when will we get the next chance after how many decades. We cannot afford to fail this time. Every one of you will have to participate, and without your participation, Anna will not be able to succeed. सब लोगों को सड़क पे उतरना पड़ेगा. There are some programs which have been chalked out. I will just announce those programs. From 1st August to 9th August, we are urging people to go to the villages. गांव-गांव में जाओ. जिसके पास टाइम है, गांव-गांव में जाओ. गांव-गांव में जाके लोगों को इसके बारे में बताओ कि किस तरह से सरकारी लोकपाल बिल उनकी जिंदगी को छूता तक नहीं है. And it is a cruel joke on the people of this country. Please educate the villages. And villagers have a very strong common sense. Unfortunately, the intellectuals are a very confused set of people because they read too much. The moment you go and tell villagers, they will immediately grasp the idea. They understand it very well. From 9th August, let us start mass burning of this government's Lokpal bill. Have you watched the film Gandhi? The first scene was when the Gandhi is throwing his identity card in the fire. And he was alone. We have learned this from Gandhi ji. All these tricks we have learned from Gandhi ji. Foreign कपड़े जलाया करते थे वो. तो 9th August से 16 August तक we will do mass burning of. Every day we should do it. Everywhere we should do it. All across the country. The government's Lokpal bill should be burnt in masses. From 9th August to 15th August, let there be candle marches every day in the evening. Everywhere, all across. "15th August, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. let us switch off our lights. 1 घंटे के लिए सारा देश अगर लाइट ऑफ करेगा, let everyone switch off our light on Independence Day, क्योंकि इस देश की इस आजादी ने हम लोगों को कुछ नहीं दिया, अंधेरा ही अंधेरा दिया. And from 16th August, 1 week's off. So these are some of the programs I wanted to share with you. I can't tell you how much I'm energized after seeing so much of energy in all of you, and I'm very sure कि इस बार तो हम सक्सेसफुल जरूर होंगे. Thank you so much.
Jay. Have you ever seen anyone so unassuming, so simple, yet so powerful like Mr. Arvind Kejriwal? He's an